Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the battery on your iPhone on your Sony LinkBuds. So first of all, we need to check if they're connected to your iPhone. So we're taking them off the case. So now they're connected. There are two ways how to check the battery on your headphones. First of all, here you can see the bar right in front of the headphones icon. If it's full, it means that your headphones are fully charged. If it's half, it means they are around 50%. And if it's almost empty, it means that it's less than 30% and you need to recharge your headphones. And there's also a second way how to check the battery on your headphones. You can go to the left side on your iPhone, and here you will see the icon of your headphones if they're connected to your phone. And again, if it's full green circle, it means that they're fully charged, and if it's less, it means that you need to charge them. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.